Hi, I'm Vitalia and I sold my home through Bōde. The last time I bought a house, I actually didn't use a realtor. We did a private sale and it was a good experience, but it was still a hassle. Like, it was really stressful because I didn't know all the steps in the process. Bōde was great because it was like, okay, there's a timeline and we can actually have some steps and contracts already done, and you can like sign it online and you can be in your pajamas and not leave your house. The listing process was really easy. Upload your photos, put all the information down, and ding ding, there is a message, and then all of a sudden it was like, ding ding, there's an offer. Connecting with the buyer on Bōde was probably the best part of the whole process. I was able to have that personal connection with them. It was great to know their intent with the place and that they loved it as much as we do. It took out that businessy, stuffy part of selling. There was no realtor. It was affordable. We saved thousands of dollars using Bōde. My husband and I are both small business owners, and it makes a big deal for us. If we sell another house, I'll definitely use Bōde again and tell all my friends.